Hi everyone, Angela here. Today I'm just going to show you really quickly how to use the Refer a Friend program in the Rodan and Fields website. So what you'll do is go to angelamore.myrnf.com. You'll come right up here to the home page, and right on the top navigation bar, there's Shop, Featured, Real Results, Our Story, Perks Program, and Refer a Friend. So the Refer a Friend program is awesome because it gives you the opportunity to refer a friend that you think would be interested in Rodan and Fields. But it's going to, once it loads, here we go, it will generate a link that will send directly to your friend, and then if they sign up, they will not only get to waive the $19.95 sign-up fee to become a PC Perks member, but they will also get you will also get 10% off your purchase. So it is a win-win for everyone. So here on this page, all you'll need to do, there are 3 different options. You can send an email, you can use Facebook, or just generate a link. So if you send an email, you'll just need to type in your friend's email address right here. And then if you want to change your subject line or add a specific note, you can do that. And then click send. Through Facebook, you'll just go share to my wall. And then if you just want to generate a link, you can copy the link and send it out this way. So you can do it from your phone this way, send it through a text message. Super simple. So comment below if you have any questions, reach out if you need anything, but I just thought this was such a great opportunity for you to help your friends, and then also for you to get an additional 10% off your next order. So thank you all and have a good day.